back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. 40-ounce Persil detergents are on sale for $6.99 and when you buy 2 you get $6 back. Pick up 2 and they will total $13.98. Pay the $13.98 and you get 6 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each one. That means you get back $4 from Ibotta. After the extra care box and the Ibotta rebate, these two will end up costing just $3.98 or $1.99 each. My next deal is spend $20 get $5 back on Cottonelle 9 mega rolls and the Cottonelle wipes, and I have 2 options for this deal. For the first option, pick up 2 Cottonelle 9 mega roll bath tissues on sale for $10.49 each, and these 2 will total $20.98. Use the $1 digital coupon to drop it down to $19.98 and you get 5 back, making them just $14.98 or $7.49 each. And the second option I have is to pick up 1 Cottonelle 9 mega roll bath tissue on sale for $10.49 and 2 Cottonelle flushable wipes on sale for $4.99 each. Pick up 2 green packs because that's the only one attaching to the dollar coupon we have in our app. The blue ones are not attaching to the coupon. These 3 items will total $20.47. Use the $1 coupon for the Cottonelle bath tissue and a $1 digital coupon for the Cottonelle wipes. That will take off $2 and drop it down to $18.47 and you get 5 back, making them just $13.47 or $4.49 each. We have the spend 25 get 5 back instead of the spend 30 get 10. For this deal, pick up a Tide detergent on sale for $14.99 and a Game detergent on sale for $9.99. These 2 will total $24.98. Use a $3 digital coupon for the Tide and a $3 off Gain coupon from Coupon24 app. That will take off $6 and drop it down to $18.98 and you get 5 back, making them just $13.98 or $6.99 each. The 80-count Lysol wipes are on sale for $5.49 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $10.98. I have a 50 cents off digital coupon that will drop it down to $10.48 and you get 3 back, making them just $6.48 or $3.24 each. Another way you can do this deal instead of picking up 2 Lysol wipes is to pick up just 1 and 1 32-ounce all-purpose cleaner. Also on sale for $5.49. Use the 50 cents digital coupon and pay $10.48 and get $3 back, making them just $6.48 or $3.24 each. The next deal is on Schick or Skintimate disposable razors. They on sale for 2 for $14 and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2, use the $4 off digital coupon and that will leave you to pay just $10 and you get 4 back, making them just $6 or $3 each. The next deal I have is on Gillette shave foam. They on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and they are part of buy 2 get $2 back. Pick up 2, priced at $3.89, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $1.95. These 2 cans will total $5.84. Pay that and get $2 back, making them just $3.84 or $1.92 each. The next deal I have is on CoverGirl Cosmetics, and this deal can still be a money maker without any paper coupon. Pick up 2 CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils, priced at $6.59 each, and they will total $13.18. Use the $4 off CoverGirl digital coupon and the $4 off CoverGirl extra care coupon everybody received today. That will take off $8 and drop it down to $5.18 and you get 6 back, making these 2 free and 82 cents money maker. The next makeup deal I have is on Maybelline Cosmetics. They are on the deal of buy 2 get 5 back. Pick up 2 Maybelline baby lips, priced at $5.29 each. And these 2 will total $10.58. Use the $4 off Maybelline CRT everybody received today to drop it down to $6.58 and you get 5 back, making them just $1.58 or 79 cents each. The next deal is buy 2 get $5 back on any Revlon cosmetics or tools. For this deal, pick up 2 Revlon Kiss Balms priced at $6.79 each, and they will total $13.58. Everybody received a $4 CRT for Revlon Cosmetics. Use that and it will drop it down to $9.58 and you get 5 back, making them just $4.58 or $2.29 each. If you use Real Technique products and you are not stocked up yet, you still have a chance because we still have the spend 15 get $10 back going on. For this week, pick up the Real Technique tapered cheek brush priced at $7.99 and a Real Technique sponge priced at $6.99. These two will total $14.98 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 15. Pay the $14.98 and get 10 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal I have is spend 10 get 5 back on any Neutrogena acne care. And you can easily pick up the Neutrogena stubborn acne patch priced at $10.99. Use a 3 of 10 Neutrogena CRT and you pay $7.99 and get 5 back, making it just $2.99. The next deal I have is spend 15 get 5 back and there are few products included in this deal. So you have to check the printable list I will link in the Google Doc to see which one works for you. Pick up 1 Garnier Skin Active Makeup Cleansing Balm priced at $14.99. Use the $3 off digital coupon and I also have a 2 of 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off 5 and drop it down to $9.99 and you get 5 back, making it just $4.99. Another option I have for this deal is to pick up the Garnier Skin Active Blackhead Eliminating Scrub priced at $9.99 and 2 Garnier Fructis Leave-In Conditioner priced at $4.99 each. These 3 items will total $19.97. Use the $3 off Garnier Skin Active digital coupon and a 2 of 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT. We have 3 of 2 Garnier Fructis digital coupon. We had one already and we received a new one today. Both will double dip and take off 6. The coupons and the CRT we'll use for this deal will take off $11, dropping it down to $8.97 and you get 5 back, making them just $3.97 or $1.32 each. The first hair care deal I have in this video is buy 2 get $4 back on Clairol hair colors, and you can pick up the textures and tones priced at $7.79. These two will total $15.58. We have a BOGO coupon in our app and the max the coupon can take off is $8.99. Sometimes it might take off the whole $8.99 or sometimes it might take off the $7.79. Be careful when you're doing this deal to know how much it actually takes off. If it works for you and take off $8.99, you will pay $6.59 and get 4 back, making them just $2.59 or $1.30 each. My next hair care deal is buy 2 get $4 back on L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner and it's priced at $5.79. Pick up 2 for a total of $11.58. We have a 3 of 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.58 and you get 4 back, making them just $4.58 or $2.29 each. If you need a filler item for your 10 off 70 or 20 off 100, the dial back soap are on the deal of buy 2 get $3 back and that's the 3 packs. Pick up 2 priced at $4.69 each. And they will total $9.38. Pay that and get $3 back, making them just $6.38 or $3.19 each. My next deal is spend 20 get $10 back on any Nivea body wash, and you can start this deal by picking up 1 Nivea men body wash priced at $5.99 and 2 Nivea women body wash priced at $6.99 each. These 3 body washes will total $19.97. And that's within 98% rule for spend 20. Pay $19.97 and you get 10 back, making them just $9.97 or $3.32 each. The next deal I have is on Boost nutritional drinks. They're on the deal of buy 2 get 8 back and it's priced at $11.99. Pick up 2 for a total of $23.98. Check your app because we have a 6 of 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $17.98 and you get 8 back, making them just $9.98 or $4.99 each. Last item I have is not giving back any extra care box, but that's on the General Mills cereal. They're on sale for $1.99 And check your Ibotta because it's giving back 50 cents limit of 5. That means if you pick up just one, you pay the $1.99, submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back, making it just $1.49. And this concludes my video for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all your support. I appreciate you all. And I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.